Hey, okay, so every year I order a planner. This was my planner 1718. You customize the cover, customize what sections you want into it. It starts as a $32 planner from Plum Paper on Etsy. This was my last year's planner, 1819. And I just got this year's planner, so I'm going to open it up and share it with you because I love these. Again, they're 32 bucks. With the added sections that I put in there, checklist, to-do lists, a blog section, it ends up being about $45 plus shipping and handling. Isn't this cute? Get your product for free. And they give you some steps about how to share. I will do that. Cover material. I don't know what this is, but this is kind of cool. Oh, isn't that cute? With a cute little quote on the bottom. The best is yet to come. Do all things with love. Make your own luck. I love it. Okay, so here is my new 1920 planner. I customized the name. I picked what cover I wanted. I just kept the same cover I had last year. Alright, so let's see what we got. There's a full calendar, special dates, and then a year by year. Goals, birthdays, events, things to remember. Each month there is a calendar along with, I inserted extra note pages. That's one of the upgrades I paid for. It goes all the way through 12 months, starting whenever you order it. So I didn't order this until February, and so mine goes March through February. But I added a blog section, which I haven't used for the last 2 years. But I have good intentions, so I added it again this year. And I added a checklist section because this is how I track all of my personal habits. I list them out. I list the days here. Every day gets listed in a month, and I list personal habits here, and then I list different projects I work on, so I can track how many hours I devote to those projects. There is passwords, address book, holidays, and a pocket folder. And that's it. I love this. This is my planner. I know it's big, bulky, chunky, but I write in it every day. Because not only does it keep my calendar, but on the pages that follow I write just thoughts, journaling, gratitudes, things like that every day. So Plum Paper by Etsy, and this is my 3rd year, and I couldn't be more happy, and I highly recommend it.